guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm here on the beach in Malibu with my dear friend Helen. Today we want to show you guys some of our favorite summer bikini and swimsuit pieces.
We both have a serious swimsuit collection.
Yeah, when the sun is out, I just love to walk around in a bikini, always at beach, swimming pools. And we want to show you guys a couple of pieces which we really love, and from all different brands, different kind of price ranges, so you can check them out. So one of my favorite ones is this from Camila Coelho from Revolve. This actually has a high-waisted bottom, and I'm actually wearing one right now from Triangle 2. And I don't know, I never used to wear those, but since this season I'm kind of like into it. I love to try out different shapes.
I love this belt detail.
Yeah,
so nice.
There's a very cute like belt detail in here.
This is one of the ones that I brought. This is Monday swimwear, and it has this nice like tropical print to it. It's one of their newest prints. It just came out like a couple days ago. I just love like the green and the just like tropical, you know, feel it has. It's very, it's good for tanning.
This is
Let's
good
put it that way.
I love that. You have special bikinis for tanning
Exactly.
and bikinis for just like being cute or photos or whatever. Then this is actually a bikini I got from Target. I went there and I actually found quite some nice ones for a really reasonable price, and we want to show you guys to do that. You can find bikinis in all different kind of sorts. So it has this like cute, I almost feel like a little bohemian vibe with a nice fabric here. Yeah, you could see me wearing this in like Tulum or like in Ibiza with like something over it. And it has like a really nice like basic bottom. Again, like neutral colors, which I really enjoy.
And then next we have this one. This is a style from a brand called Copper and Zinc. It has a bandeau top, which I love. And then the bottoms are really cool. It has like this crisscross detailing. So it's also high-waisted, but like a little bit of something going on there. So it just makes it more interesting.
And Helen's favorite color.
My favorite color, which I'm also wearing right now. No, but I really love the high-waisted too. I feel like I always go for high-waisted now over a low waist. So yeah, this is a favorite of mine.
Okay, so we have here our next set of bikinis. One of my other favorite brands is Solid and Stripe. They have like really nice like fabrics and good like quality. I really love this blue. I mean, has like cuteness overload. I love to put like a white shirt on top of this. And then I think this is really nice in like summer, and especially like I can envision myself walking in like Europe and wearing this with like shorts. It has like a very cute detail of like the white lace, but it's still very like a simple bikini, but it has a little touch.
And then next, this is another suit from Monday, again with the earth tones. I love this material. It's really like interesting. It's got this ribbing to it.
It's thick.
It's thick. Yeah. I feel like it would really hold you in. And again, with the high-waisted, this is like an extreme high waist bottom. It's very high, so it's kind of nice. It's almost like a one piece in a way, with just like a little gap.
I love that.
You know? And then the top is just like a square neckline, you know? So really nice with the tie in the back.
I think it's also very nice to kind of experiment with different kind of shaped bikinis. I always like to switch it up, because when you're tanning one day you want to have like a bandeau, or next day you want to have a triangle.
True.
And I feel nowadays bikinis get so, they're getting so creative with different kind of shapes, and it's just like a really fun, it's almost like, piece of clothing.
For sure.
Then this is more of a sportier style. This is GGC, and it almost has like a surf.
Oh, it's neoprene.
Yeah, like surf fabric. Again, this is also very like high waist. It has a zip in the front, a very cute detail, and this is like a topless bandeau bikini. And I really like the kind of like strong surfer look for this, and this is more like a cooler vibe.
And then going with the black and white theme, I I have this one from Vitamin A. It is this really nice black and white stripe, and again, a high waist.
We're very much into the high waist.
Yep. And a nice triangle top. I really love the back on this one because it's not like the traditional back tie. It just has these, which is, I don't know, I just like how that looks. So
it has a good steady material.
Yeah, nice, really nice material.
1, 2, 3, rising by the minute, yeah. Wanna be a part of it all. Get back to the place I'm at. I don't even
So we have more extra swimsuits for you guys. One of my friends, Devin Windsor, you've seen her on the channel actually, started her own swimwear line, and I really love all her like the shapes and the really like thick fabrics because it makes me feel like comfortable and fits and suits really well. It is hard to see this one on the hanger because it has a lot of like strings, but while it's on, it really like fits really nicely, and the bottom is actually has strings and it's quite small, which I really like because if you want to get a nice tan, and yeah, also brings a little bit of sexiness to it.
This one is by Good American, so it's a slightly lower price point. And I love that it has this tie detail on the bottoms. And then the top is just like has like a tie in the middle. So it's a good just like basic black bikini because you can never go wrong with a basic black bikini.
Everyone needs to look on.
It's a staple.
So this is a one piece also from Devin Windsor, and I'm gonna be very honest, I normally keep my bikinis like pretty simple, but this golden glitter one I actually really loved. And again, when you put this one on, the lines and the shapes are just really nice, and it's really like something different, and I love that it is kind of unique and something else, and it really like stands out, and I really love the different kind of shapes. Again, it has this like very like thick material.
This one would be perfect for vacation.
Yeah.
Definitely a vacation suit. And then this last one is also by Devin. This is a really cool and very different bikini style. It's almost like it has like a little belt. It's like a pair of shorts. Like at the back has the belt loops and everything, but I think it's really cool. And then the top is like this. Has the same kind of style with that little stitching, the black stitching, and then the back has like the silver buckle clasp, something different, but another really cute style.
jumping on the solo, fresh like a coconut, dancing like a go-go. I don't even give a
Well, I hope you guys enjoy watching our bikini haul video. If you have any questions for Helen, if you have any questions for me, let us know. We will link them down below as well, so you can check out the brands, check out the websites, and don't forget to follow us, and also don't forget to subscribe because Helen just started YouTube. Yay! Going too funny. So yeah, stay tuned and see you guys soon.
1, 2, 3.